everyone. It's your girl, Kira Rosati. I'm back with another tutorial. I know it's been a long time coming. I haven't made a tutorial. Well, I haven't put up a YouTube tutorial since around Halloween. I've been really busy. For those of you who don't know too much about me, makeup is not my only job. I have about roughly 5 jobs and some other things that I do, so I'm constantly busy, have a lot of things going on. But with the new year coming around, I'm definitely going to get more content out to you. My last year's goal was to produce one every week, but this year I promise we're going to have a tutorial every week. Been a lot of great things going on, so I just want to make sure that I get you out some great content. Now, you guys first seen this look when I went to the a newly good friend of mine, Monica, on Instagram, she's Skins Art ATL. She's a body painter. She had an event called Trap Makeup where a bunch of different just vendors, body paint, makeup, art, jewelry, just different things like that. Had a little event where we sold and showed our talent. And for that event, I did this look. This look was inspired by Scott Chanel. He's another fellow makeup artist. He's originally from Baltimore. If you look him up on Instagram, you can see that he's been doing a lot of makeup for Rico Nasty. He's been touring with her and doing a lot of great creative looks. And he did this, he didn't do this exact look, but he had used rhinestones for eyebrows on a model he had did. I'm not sure exactly what the event was or the occasion, but he used rhinestones for the brows. I was like, yes, OMG, like I have to do that. So I came with this look and I had my 2 little pigtails. Yes, and I also did this look when not this exact look, but I did the eyelashes, liner, brows, and a different lip when I went to the Trap Museum. Got a lot of attention. A lot of people had DM me about the rhinestone eyebrows. So I'm like, why not go ahead and put a tutorial out for you for those who also want to achieve this look. It's really easy. The product's really easy to follow along. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I give all my followers something to enjoy and create and be creative yourself. Sorry, I keep playing with my hair, but thank you so much for tuning in. If you'd like to achieve this look, continue watching. First, we're going to get started by priming our face with the wonderful LA Girl Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Prep. In order to effectively glue down your brows, you're going to need glue, a spoolie, some setting powder of your choice, and just a little brush to set the powder with. I'm just going to take the glue and rub it onto my brow, like so. You see that? Once we got that on there, I'm going to take my spoolie and brush it up. Try to get it as smooth as you can. Brush it up. You can even take your finger just to rub it in and up, just to ensure it gets that smooth consistency. The brows, don't expect that it's just going to take, 10 seconds. It can take a few minutes in between each application, but that's okay. We got time, darling. If you don't have time, you have to make time. Just make sure you're not doing this in a rush because it does take time. You have to make sure it's completely dry. In between, you can tap it, you can see. But what we're going to do once that's dry, I have a Pro Angled Brush by True Beauty. I'm going to take this, dip it in the setting powder, and we're just going to pat it on, okay? So let me check. So the test to see if it's dry. Take your setting powder. I'm just gonna get a little bit like so. Hold on, cause this stuff, if you own Airspun, you know it can be a pain in the booty. Get a little bit. Hold on, I did not want to have to flip it, but I have to flip it. Okay, just be careful. You see that here? Now see how we have like little white speckles right there? That means it's not all the way dry, but it's enough dry. I'm gonna go in with another coat just to ensure that, well, go in with another coat of glue just to ensure that these brows hairs are 100% laid down. But what you don't want to use, what I made the mistake of doing, whenever you're gluing your brows down, please make sure you're using a glue stick, because my foolish self used some Mod Podge, and I swear this one right here was like halfway ripped off. To speed up the process, you can fan it. I'm going to use these wonderful makeup wipes by Clinique. We're going to go back in with our Airspun. Take that same previous brush, get us some of that nice translucent, and powder. All right, so that's good enough. At this point, I'm going to take my makeup palette. I got this at IMAX when they came to Atlanta, but you can order this offline, near Costco, any makeup store. I'm going to take my foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 340. I'm just going to take about a quarter size, so like full coverage. Put that into my palette. I'm going to go back in with my setting powder. Put some more over top, like so. I'm going to go in with my Elegant Pro Concealer in shade Toffee and highlight like so. Gonna go with the same foundation sponge and press in my concealer. Now I'm going to contour, just taking some of this RK by Kiss mineral powder in shade Honey Bronze. Now I'm going to take this Morphe M106 brush and just dust all the excess off. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. To avoid looking chalky and make sure this all blends in like skin, you make sure you use the setting spray. When they're going to go in with their Urban Decay All-Nighter, you'll get a little shake and bake, and we're going to go to town. Liner. Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in shade Nathan. Some mascara. This is the BH Cosmetics BH Bliss Lash. Okay, it's time for your hair part. We're about to get these brows popping. We got skin down. Yes. For the brows, what I use, they're kind of been used, but it's just like a little sheet of adhesive rhinestones. I got these from Target, or you can Target, or you know, you can get them for like Walmart, Arts and Crafts, if you want, but try to get the ones that come with different sizes and make sure they have an adhesive back. Ooh, one fell off. But that's what I'm going to use. So you can use any adhesive that you like. And make sure you have tweezers. So what I do is take some eyelash glue and I plan out where I want them to go. So I simply just dot it. So I usually start about right here. Like so. And try to do the same thing on the other side. So you should have something that looks like this. Then all you do is take the tweezers and lay the rhinestones on top. Last but not least, we're going to apply some lashes. I have these 3D mink eyelashes by SK number 802. There's some really pretty mink lashes I got from my local beauty supply store. I'm just going to put some glue on these, let them dry for a few minutes. And then we're going to pop these bad boys on and finish up this grand look for you. Go ahead and pop on lashes and wig. The rhinestone brows are complete. I want to go ahead and get a tutorial for you. And so there we go. Very simple, very easy. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments. I just want to give feedback, anything, but it's really, really simple. Again, just make sure you have your purple Elmer's glue. Make sure you have your spoolie, your setting powder. Like I said, again, the rhinestones are from like Walmart, Target, any arts and crafts stores. Make sure you have your eyelash glue or any adhesive you like. But yeah, that's pretty much all that is to it. And thanks again for watching.